TINSELFIR. Christmassy time, new lingo.
THEdraya. What is a TINSELFIR? TINSELFIR is when you take the concepts of tinsel and fur and put them together. Tinsel. Something that seems exciting and attractive, shiny or glittery decor used at Christmas, or something showy or sparkly. Fir. Evergreen trees of the Avis family, traditional winter holiday decoration, classic Yule or Christmas decoration. TINSELFIR.
TINSELFIR.
Union of modern glitter and glitz with classic and tradition to create a festive, colorful, exciting experience, especially at Yule or Christmas. Also known as colorful or glittery expression of Christmassy time or Yule joy, often expressed as a decorated artificial tree or other mix of glitzy classic and modern festiveness.
TINSELFIRS is also the name of a band that does all original Christmas music.
In a sentence, you might hear, "Did you see my TINSELFIR? It's a pink mini evergreen with mermaid and glitter bulbs." Or,
Ho, 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 Christmas songs by the TINSELFIRs are the best.
TINSELFIR!
THEdraya.